Good morning. These are the top 3 stocks that you need to be watching today for Wednesday, April 30th. First one I'm watching here is IVF. To keep things simple, if this thing gets above 286, then it meets my criteria to take a trade. If it doesn't get above 286, I won't touch it today. Above 286, you're watching to see if 3 places a key level, and then our pre-market high is sitting up at 331, so plenty of distance up to that. Next up is NVNI, and what we're looking at right now is a 15-minute downtrend. On the 5-minute chart, you're just watching to see if it continues forming higher lows. That would be confirmation that we want to continue higher. Then it just needs to break 26 cents and it looks good for a trade. Last but not least is WW, and I wish that I made this video a little bit earlier because it's kind of starting to go without me. See how this thing's bouncing off the demand zone while forming higher lows? Then we break the wedge to the upside, showing that resistance is no longer getting lower. Alright, buyers are in control and they are looking really strong. Next setup I see on it is a reclaim of $1, and you can look for scalps above that. Before I go, this is what the IVF chart looks like now that I'm done recording. Okay, we broke this wedge to the downside. We did not see the level that I'm looking for. I'm no longer watching this one for a trade, okay? That doesn't mean that I was wrong. That doesn't mean that this wasn't a good watch. We just need it to reclaim a level for more strength, and it didn't get that level, so it has no strength. So with that being said, NVNI and WW look like the 2 best setups right now. We're going to watch to see if more things pop up this morning, and I'll keep you guys updated.